see there was taking it and then pushing forward on the project.
The Aspiring Leaders program is available for high potential team members and those looking to develop their skills at Cornerstone Building Brands. It helps grow leadership skills in any role. These sessions are held on site at our plant locations and cover key topics such as communication, emotional intelligence, influencing others, team building, and conflict management. Participants have a strong sense of what it means to lead at Cornerstone Building Brands once they complete the training.
I wanted to take the Inspiring Leaders class in order to learn new things and see how I can improve myself. What I enjoyed today the most during the Inspiring Leaders class was having the opportunity to meet people from other departments. Even though I know a lot of them, we don't really interact much on a day-to-day basis. One of the things that I want to bring back to the plant floor from one of these trainings was how to intentionally inspire other people, because I know I've inspired them in the past, they have told me so, but now I just want to be very conscious about it and do it with a purpose.
Inspiring leading class is something that's going to make you better, and before it was here, it was just have to be just, you work with the manager, you work with yourself, but now you're being pulled outside, being in a separate room where you can be more focused and the tools you need to be a better leader. My favorite part of the class was interaction, where you can be one-on-one with the associates. Working with my partner, I felt like I was working with a new employee coming into the organization, and that was great. So for me to tell someone taking their Aspiring Leading class, I would tell them 100% go to, because you're going to learn for sure. And the instructor that's at the class, whatever you ask, he's willing to give you an answer, and he really wants the class to interact with you. You really want that interaction, so that's great.
I was most interested in learning about team building because in order to run successfully, I think team building is very, very important. It helps in all aspects of safety, quality, productivity, just building together with the team, employee versus the lead or supervisor, and getting to know each other and just running the line like it should be. I recommend that every leader take the Aspiring Leaders class.
The goal of Aspiring Leaders is to develop leaders from within. This is important for Cornerstone Building Brands because it allows succession planning. It gives growth to our internal employees and give opportunities that they might not have anywhere else. And this is important because it really helps retain and attract our talent. Aspiring Leaders provides our employees with the tools and the support that they need to grow within the company. My favorite part is connecting. It's seeing the aha moments when you talk about emotional intelligence, when you really dive in and you ask people, what motivates you? Why are you here? There's one particular activity that I like to do, and I ask my audience, do you remember the day that you got this job? And the minute that I say that line, big smiles across everyone's faces. And then I remind them, okay, think of that day when you're having a really tough day. That'll be how you draw for motivation.